The stock market can feel like a chaotic storm. Prices go up and down sharply. Investors panic. It is difficult to know what to do. The news is filled with negative headlines. Experts disagree about the future. This uncertainty can be frightening. It can make investors hesitate. However, it is important to remember that markets are cyclical. Periods of decline are often followed by periods of growth. Like a storm, the chaos will eventually subside. When the market is down, it is an opportunity to buy low. This is the time to invest in quality companies at discounted prices. As the storm subsides, the market begins to recover. Like a city rebuilding after a disaster, confidence is slowly restored. Investors start to see the potential for growth. They begin to buy stocks again, driving prices higher. This creates a positive feedback loop. Gradually, the pieces of the market begin to come together. Like bricks being laid one by one, each investment contributes to the construction of a new bull market. This process takes time, but it is essential for long-term growth. Just as a city's skyline reflects its prosperity, the rising stock market signals a return to confidence and optimism. The emotions of investors play a significant role in market cycles. Fear can be paralyzing, leading to missed opportunities. However, as the market recovers, fear gives way to determination. Investors who once hesitated are now eager to participate in the growth. This shift in sentiment is crucial for sustained market recovery. When investors are determined, they are more likely to stay invested for the long term. This long-term perspective allows them to ride out short-term fluctuations and benefit from the power of compound growth. Imagine planting a digital money tree. With each investment, you add another leaf to the tree. Over time, these leaves multiply and the tree grows larger and stronger. This is the power of compound interest. In the futuristic city of finance, these digital gardens flourish. Investors who have cultivated their trees are rewarded with abundant returns. The skyscrapers of the financial district reach higher, fueled by the growth of these digital gardens. The city of the future thrives on the confidence and prosperity that comes from long-term sustainable growth.